November 15th, 2018, and I'm sorry, but this is not a Brooklyn Pony video. I know you're anticipating those, and they are coming, I promise. There's still more to do, and there will be more videos. They're coming. But this is something different. Yeah, the other day I received in the mail this package, and this is from Evercoat, and this is their new green product that was released at SEMA, and I was able to get a hold of some of this. Now, I haven't used it yet. I haven't even opened the box, so you get to see that happen. So, I'm going to open up this box and see what's inside. Folder, or an envelope with the safety information. Looks like, oh wow, huh? There was a VIP ticket to SEMA, well, to see their booth at SEMA, I guess. I could have won a $500 gift card, but I would have had to go to SEMA. Obviously I didn't make it to SEMA, so that's no good anyway. Here is a letter, cover letter, I guess, that talks about the new product. I've got some flyers here, some data sheet information. It talks about how to use the product. I'll look that over. And I don't know what's in that box. Let's have a look. Oh boy. I don't know what that is. A little pouch. Let's see. Oh, wow. I'm not sure what that looks like. Oh, that looks like one of those attachments for your cell phone camera. Has a bunch of lenses in it. Clip it on your cell phone. That's pretty cool. I guess I should have opened this sooner. All right, what else we got? A quart, a Rage Optex, green means go. Some filler paper. Oh, wait. What else is it? Check it out. I got an Evercoat Optex t-shirt. Might be a little big on me, but that's cool. Extra large. I'm more into a large, but that's cool. And sweet. I got a mug. That's a nice mug too. All right. Basically, I'll look that over too. Basically, I wanted to do a little video on this product. I have not tried this yet, obviously. And like I said, it's a new release. They just freshly released at the SEMA show. And I'm curious. I want to see how well it's going to work. It talks about changes color as it dries, indicating the repair is ready to sand. Spread easy and virtually eliminates micro pinholes. Superior sanding thanks to eco resin technology, and can be applied directly over sanded OEM paint. That's good to know. Like I said, I'll look over the data sheets a little bit more before I mix anything up, but I'm pretty excited about it. Before I get too far along, I wanted to show you where I'm going to be applying this filler. And if you're familiar with the Jade videos that I've done, I replaced these quarter panels and the tail panel, and I did a weld seam, and I saved the original inner structure from the quarter panels, and I cut out here and then attached the new panel. So you can maybe see some grinding marks, you can see some shadows there. So that's where I'll be applying the filler when it comes time. Alright, as you can see, I have the can of filler, the associated hardener, and I'm using clean sheets, which if you haven't used these before, these are tear-offs that you can use, get rid of the top coat, and put a new sheet, or a new sheet is there. So I'm going to open this can up. Oh yeah, look at that. Pink. That's different. Pretty sure I've never seen pink body filler before. Now I don't know how long this has actually been sitting, so I'm going to do some mixing to make sure that it's all good. Now it does say in the instructions this can go right on top of paint. Obviously you need to prep the paint. I know in the instructions it said use 180 grit to rough up the paint and of course clean it prior to application. In the case of the Mustang here, that is already coated with epoxy primer, and so I'm just going to apply it right on top of that. Really don't have to do much prep work. Probably could have saved a step or two and just gotten some out with the mixer. So that's always the fun part. Stuff flows nice too. Looks like it's already, you know, kind of thin. And of course I will clean that up. I don't want to leave any residue to bind up the lid. So gonna mix up some hardener in here. You see the color change just a little bit. Obviously have more of a bluish purple tint to it. You want to make sure all that's mixed through nice. Nice consistent color. Okay, let's see how well this does. That is pretty smooth. It's kind of different seeing pink. Just for fun, I'm going to use a longer spreader here. It looks pretty good. I'm going to let the camera stay on there a little while. I'm not sure if the pink shows up very well on the screen, but the instructions say that this will turn green when it's ready to sand. Well, you can definitely see a color change. And to show you, here is the mixing board, and obviously the color changed more so in the mixed up stuff than any of this residual stuff here. So that's pretty cool. And I will point out that, you know, this, I said I went on top of epoxy, but all of this had been ground because there was a weld seam here, and using a grinder I'd already scuffed all this before I applied the epoxy. So the instructions say to use 180 grit. Prep your area with 180 grit and clean it before applying any of this material. That's some nice stuff. Again, paper's hardly showing any collection of material. That's good. Now obviously this is just the first coat. I'll need to add a little more back here. Anytime you see bare metal you want to stop, But that stuff is smooth, man. I like that. I'm really impressed by that product. That gets a thumbs up from me. Well, now you know. I wasn't sure what to expect from this product when I received this sample. I thought, I'll give it a shot. I've used other Evercoat products. I've been very happy with them. I use the Rage Ultra, and I use that all the time. Very happy with it. I did not know what to expect from this, but I am very satisfied. I've never seen body filler change color before. That's very helpful. And when this sample is gone, I will buy more of this stuff and use it. So, if you feel like it, go give it a shot. Evercoat Optex, green means go. Good stuff. So that's it for this video. If you'd be so kind, give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and go check out this Evercoat product. Thanks for watching.